Here we are going to discuss about local area network. It is a computer network. LAN is a network, right? So it is a computer network that operates in small area. Okay, means a limited area. It connects computers in small geographical area, like within an office or company, school, college, or any other organization. So it's called LAN. For example, here 4 PCs are connected to one server. So this is limited area. It may be office, or it may be company, or it may be college. Okay, this we can call local area network. Here within an office we can call it is a local area network. Okay, means geographically it is small area. Here local area network may be wired or wireless. Wireless means your Wi-Fi. Okay, then wired means you can use RJ45 cable. RJ means radio jack, okay, or Ethernet cable, or you can use combination of both. It may be wire or it may be wireless. The device in a LAN are generally connected using an Ethernet cable, that is RJ45 cable, which offers an interface to connect multiple devices like router, switches and computers. This symbol you are seeing, it is called router, and this kind of symbol you are seeing, it is switch. Okay, and these all are computers. So this is, here I am dividing the network two parts. This is network part 1 and this one is 2. Okay, from zone 1 to zone 2 it's connecting via router. Okay, this is called what? Local area network. It should be limited in office, college or home. Now wide area network. W means what? Here wide. It extends over a large geographical area, while compared to LAN it's large. It is not confined within an office, school, city or town, and is mainly set up by telephone lines or fiber optic or satellite links. With the help of this we can connect large geographical area. Okay, for example, this is one LAN, can call zone 1. This is another LAN, can call zone 2. This is another zone 3. Okay, assume this zone 1 is located on Bangalore. This is located on Belgaum. This is located on Maharashtra. Okay, so all these 3 states we are going to connect with the help of WAN. So how we will going to connect? With the help of telephone lines or fiber optic or satellite links. See here, this we can call fiber optic technology, and this we can call satellite links. WANs are often geographically spread over large areas, and links between computers are over long distance. Okay, it may be connected to from India to America, India to Russia, like that. Country wise, state wise, we can going to connect with the help of WAN. And some technologies they are using, that is optical fiber cables, this one, then satellite radio links, this is satellite, then microwave radio links. With the help of these technologies, we are going to connect our computers in large geographical area, that is called WAN. And it is mostly used by where big organizations like banks, okay, and multinational companies. So consider a bank. This is, assume SBI Bank. So SBI Bank is have so many branches, right? India, country wise, state wise, district wise. So with the help of WAN, we can connect all these branches. Or multinational companies means Wipro, Infosys, Mindtree. These all are multinational companies. They have branches in outside the country, right? So how they will going to communicate? With the help of WAN. Next one is Metropolitan Area Network. M stands for what here? Metropolitan means city. It is a high speed network that spreads over large geographical area such as city or town. Only this is limited to your city. It is large geographical area means within your city. Okay. In city you can going to connect, for example, office building, university campus, government buildings, residential area, okay, like that. We are going to connect within a city. We can call metropolitan area network. It is set up by connecting the local area networks using routers and local telephone exchange lines. Okay, they are using what? Routers to going to connect. This is a router. Okay, different kinds of LAN. This is LAN 1, another LAN 3 and LAN 4. All 4 LANs we are going to connect with the help of router within a area. This is called what? Metropolitan Area Network. It can be operated by a private company, or it may be service provided by a company such as local telephone company. Okay. And examples of MAN network: your cable TV, your cable TV will going to operate within a city area, right? Then telephone service providers that provide high speed DSL lines, that is data subscriber lines, DSL. Okay, this is about MAN.